Hi guys, so in this tutorial I'm going to teach you on how to do split transition. So the first thing you do is that you adjust your clips, make sure that they are aligned with the beats of the song. So the first thing you do is to freeze the frame. You don't want to make these clips, I already have them in my Discord, so you can join now. Then we put an overlay. So when you do that, you split it and delete the old one. Yeah, you could remove the one on top there. Make sure that your clips are 0.3 seconds. So the first thing you do is that you go to the mask and you click on the horizontal, and you can do it 90 degrees, that's what I'm starting with first. Then you click OK. Then you duplicate it and you put it under the overlay. So click the second clip, go to mask and click invert, and you should get the whole clip. So now what you need to do is that you need to put keyframes at the ends of both clips. Then you go from the beginning. You could use basic or you could use your thumb. Over here I started with the basic, but just use my thumb. So I use about 500, yeah. Okay, 510. Then you go to the other clip, do the same. Then you put quad out graph on both of them. Quad out. And that's how you get your transition. So now you adjust your clips to the beats. Now you make a keyframe and you increase it. Yeah, so you get a keyframe at the start and the end, and increase it a bit. So the same thing applies here. Make sure you cut the clip according to the beats. And you go for freeze. Then you put as an overlay. Make sure that you cut. Make it so 0.3 seconds. Then you go to the mask, you click horizontal, you can leave it as that, that's what I'm using now. Make a duplicate, put it under it. Then you go back to mask. Then you click invert, so that you get the whole clip. So now all you need to do is that you need to put keyframes at the ends of both clips. Then you could go to basic. I use my thumb for this, so just send it, make sure it's in the middle, send it all the way up. So you could say negative 500. And the same, put that down, make sure it's in the middle. And that's it. So that's your second transition. So now I just put keyframes on the main clip. And you can increase it. So you increase the beginning because The first one was zooming in, so this is zooming out. Okay, so that's it. Make sure that your clip is centered. And you apply the quad out graph. Then this is my last clip, so I'm just adjusting it to the beat. Okay, so you go click freeze frame, then you make it an overlay. Yeah, so you can remove that extra clip there. Make sure it's the 0.3 seconds. Remove that. Make sure it's aligned well. Yeah. So that's it right there. So you go to mask. So you duplicate it, put it under, then you invert it. Keyframes at the ends of each clip. So for that one I'm putting it upwards, diagonally. And the same applies to the other one. Make sure that you add quad outs to every. Make sure the graphs are quad out. I'm just checking. So I'm putting keyframes on it and I'm zooming in. And add a quad out graph. So this is your clip. So you go to effects, type in shake, then you click the first one that pops up, adjust it, okay, so now you click adjust, now make the speed 20, yeah 20, and you can make the intensity about 25, yeah, depends on you anyway. So that's how I do it. Duplicate it. So make sure that you make 2 shakes for every clip. So the next effect we're going to use is called Bat TV. So those are my favorites right now, so I'm going to do that. So adjust it. Make sure it's at 100%. Then you make 2 copies for each clip. 2 copies for each clip. If you want to learn how to put aura on your clips, check out the next video that pops up. Thanks for watching this video. Like and subscribe. I hope you enjoyed the video. I'll catch you in the next one.